Hello there and welcome to Talking Self-Managed Super. I'm Liv Long, founder and CEO of SMSFAI, and I'm passionate about all things super. During the past 21 years running specialist SMSF firms, I've helped over 10,000 trustees take control of their financial future, and I'm hoping I'll be able to help you too. In today's episode, we're answering the big question, how much will it cost to set up and run an SMSF? So, my first question, which I'll put to you, is this. How much are you currently paying to your super fund to manage your super? Exactly. Rarely have I come across anyone who can actually answer that question. So my first point is this. The cost of establishing and running your new SMSF are costs to the fund. They're paid for by your superannuation money, and the ongoing running costs are funded by your super contributions into the fund, just as they would with, say, Australian Super or Host Plus. So don't stress yourself about finding the cheapest provider. In Australia, there are a number of firms offering free setup and cheap ongoing fees, but in this industry, you get what you pay for. With a cheap provider, you're not likely to get a phone number to call, let alone an actual person to help you step through what you need to do. Be prepared then for endless FAQs and giving up half your life to read through scrolls of information to try to work out what you're meant to do. In this scenario, you might as well be going it alone. So I've looked at the top 5 largest administrators in Australia, and here's a summary of the average fees. The setup costs are between $500 and $1,000 for the SMSF, which can be paid for by the fund. So this will include all of your legal documents, the accounting work and the tax agent work, compliance minutes, investment strategy, templates, and your initial rollovers to the fund. From there, ongoing costs vary from $2,500 to $4,500, including the annual SMSF audit. Now, most specialists deduct fees in the financial year up front, as they utilise sophisticated software to capture your transactions electronically. Now, if you're dealing with a low-cost provider, be prepared to keep copies of paperwork supporting every single transaction, because when you get to the end of the financial year, you'll be asked to scan, upload it, and in some cases, even link it to the transactions yourself. Now, this is needed as part of the SMSF annual audit. And I don't know about you, but saving receipts, scanning, and handling paperwork is my least favourite thing to do. I'd much rather pay someone else to do it and know it's also being done properly. But the real kicker is, in an SMSF, you can have up to 6 members. So often we see 2 members in a fund, which halves the running costs per member, as the fees I'm quoting you relate to the actual amount of work required for the fund, not for each member. And my final tip for the day is this. A good SMSF specialist will provide you with online reporting and reconcile your fund during the financial year. Gone are the days of taking your shoebox to your accountant after the end of the financial year to prepare your accounts. Now, in true Liv Long style, when I launched my firm, I had to take things just a step further, and we were the first SMSF specialist in Australia to provide trustees with annual video reporting to accompany their financial statements. Finally, a meaningful summary you can actually understand about how your fund has performed and what you need to look at. Pure gold. I love innovation. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and let's chat. I'll see you for my next episode, which explains why the younger generation are establishing SMSFs. Until next time, take care and take control.